All right, let's dive right in. We're talking about something today that isn't just a small shift in the marketing world. No, it's a full-blown earthquake. We're talking about large language models, or LLMs, and how they are fundamentally rewriting the entire rulebook for SEO.
So let me just start by asking you this. What if that entire SEO playbook you've spent years, maybe even a decade mastering, what if it's all changing right under your feet? Because honestly, that's exactly what's happening. And this brilliantly illustrates the fundamental shift we're talking about. Over on the left, you've got the old way, the grind. Hours of manual keyword research, painstakingly slow content creation, and a lot of it based on gut feelings and guesswork. Now look at the right. That's the new reality. It's AI-assisted, it's lightning fast, and it is all about data-driven strategy. We're truly moving from a world of labor to a world of leverage.
Which brings us to our first major topic, the SEO shakeup. And look, this isn't about scaring you. It's about opening our eyes, understanding this new AI-powered world, and figuring out how we can thrive in it.
So, what's actually powering this massive change? Well, it's these things called large language models, or LLMs. To put it simply, an LLM is an AI that's been trained on an unbelievable amount of text data from the internet. This means it can understand, generate, and summarize language just like a human. But you really should think of it as something more, like a powerful reasoning engine, but for text. Okay, so how do we actually use this incredible power? Well, it all starts with a change in mindset. We have to stop thinking of AI as just another tool in the toolbox and start seeing it for what it is, a real strategic partner, your new AI co-pilot.
And just think about what that means. Your LLM isn't just some robot that spits out articles. It's your research analyst who works 24/7. It's your creative strategist that can brainstorm hundreds of angles in seconds. And it's your technical consultant that can help you with tricky code. It is, quite literally, a collaborator in every sense of the word.
Okay, so that's the big picture. But theory is one thing. Let's get practical. How do you actually put your AI co-pilot to work? Let's break down the core strategies you can start using today.
First up, the most obvious one, supercharged content creation. But we are going to go so much deeper than just asking an AI to, write me a blog post.
The new workflow looks something like this. You start with topic ideas, using the AI to dig up hyper-relevant, niche questions that real people are actually asking. Next, the LLM analyzes the top-ranking content out there to generate a data-driven outline for you. From there, you get a really solid first draft, which you, the human expert, then enhance and refine. And finally, the AI helps you nail all the crucial on-page SEO details. It's a smart, streamlined process from start to finish.
But here's the real magic, the part that gets me so excited. LLMs don't just write content, they uncover the questions your audience hasn't even thought to ask yet. They can scan forums, product reviews, and social media chatter to see what's bubbling up. This lets you get ahead of the conversation, to be proactive instead of just reactive.
All right, strategy number 2 is all about keyword research. This absolute cornerstone of SEO is getting a major upgrade. And this isn't just about finding more keywords, it's about finding the right ones and truly understanding the human intent behind them at scale.
So you can forget about those messy, endless spreadsheets of keywords. The new way is so much more strategic. You start with your core seed keywords, and then the AI generates all sorts of related and long-tail variations. But here's the game changer. It then clusters them all by user intent. Is this person trying to learn something, compare products, or are they ready to buy? This lets you build an entire content strategy that perfectly maps to every single stage of your customer's journey. It's incredible.
But it's not all about content and keywords. Strategy number 3 is all about technical SEO. AI is an absolute powerhouse here, and what it's really doing is leveling the playing field. It's giving smaller teams and individuals the ability to pull off complex technical tasks that used to require a whole specialized agency.
For example, an LLM can generate schema markup in seconds. That's that bit of code that helps Google understand your page and gives you those awesome, eye-catching rich results. It can create complex regex expressions so you can filter your Search Console data in powerful new ways. And yeah, it can automate those tedious but vital tasks, like writing thousands of meta descriptions or even translating your entire site for international SEO. The amount of time and money this saves is it's enormous.
Okay, this all sounds amazing, right? A total game changer. But, and this is a really big but, you have to be smart about it.
That brings us to our final and maybe most important section, the rules of the road. Because to really win with AI, you have to use it responsibly.
So remember this, AI is your co-pilot. It is not the pilot. This checklist right here, it's non-negotiable. You have to fact-check every single thing it gives you. You absolutely must add your own human expertise and insight. And please, never, ever just copy-paste and publish the raw output. This is all about making you better, faster, and smarter, not replacing you.
So I'll just leave you with this one last thought. This isn't some trend that's coming in 5 years. It is happening right now. The race has already started, and the tools are available to everyone. Your competitors are already putting their AI co-pilots to work. So the only real question is, are you?